Mastering the template pattern, getting Ouput in your desired format in ChatGPT. Introduction. Getting the desired output from large language models can sometimes be challenging. However, a powerful pattern called the template pattern allows you to specify the format and structure you want and instruct the model to fill in the relevant information. In this blog post, we will explore the template pattern and its application in guiding ChatGPT to generate output exactly as you intend. The template pattern. The template pattern involves providing a template for the desired output format and using capitalized words as placeholders. You can guide ChatGPT to generate content according to your desired format by specifying the template and placeholders. You also ensure that the model preserves the overall formatting of the template. The markdown can be utilized to enhance the formatting of the template. Example: generating questions to illustrate the template pattern. Let's consider an example where we generate questions about a topic. The template consists of placeholders for the question and answer. By instructing the model to create 20 questions using the template, we can obtain a set of questions and answers following the specified format. Example: getting to know someone. Another application of the template pattern is in generating questions to learn more about someone. By providing information about a person and using placeholders for their name, executive summary, and full description, we can instruct ChatGPT to generate questions about that individual. The placeholders can include constraints, such as requesting a one-sentence or one-paragraph summary, allowing for specific instructions within the template. Utilizing advanced placeholders. The power of the template pattern extends beyond simple matching and replacement. Placeholders can be utilized to extract and semantically understand information. For instance, the template can instruct ChatGPT to extract specific details from a given dataset or web page, enabling it to generate output that adheres to complex instructions and constraints. Benefits of the template pattern. The template pattern provides several advantages for obtaining output in the desired format. It allows you to guide the model by providing a predefined structure, ensuring consistency and clarity. The placeholders offer flexibility in specifying instructions, constraints, and formatting rules, enabling more sophisticated information extraction and content generation. Conclusion. The template pattern empowers users to shape the output of large language models precisely as they want it. By leveraging placeholders and providing a predefined template, ChatGPT can generate content while adhering to the specified format, instructions, and constraints. Whether it's generating questions or extracting information about individuals, the template pattern offers a powerful approach to obtaining tailored output efficiently and reliably. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.